Hi, guys, welcome to our channel, The Pro Reviewer. In this video, we try to help you find out the best fish finder batteries on the market. Based on our research and knowledge, I made this list and tried to find and list those items according to their quality and performance, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 1. Expert Power 12V10A Lithium. Expert Power's lithium-ion battery is top of the line. If you've only used cheaper SLA batteries in the past, this will blow you away. You will get at least twice as much life out of this lithium iron phosphate battery. Potentially you're looking at up to 3 times. Between 2500 cycles and 7000 cycles means this battery can stand up to use. Depending on the SLA battery you compare it to, this offers more than 10 times the charges. Up to 15 even. The company offers you a 10-year guarantee to remove any doubts. When's the last time you had a battery guaranteed for 10 years? An SLA battery literally cannot last that long. The trade-off is, of course, price. The 10A model comes in at around 3 times the price of many decent SLA batteries. That can be intimidating. Especially if you don't use it often, right? But if you want reliable power, this is a great choice. Number 2. Ampere Time 12V50A Battery. Ampere Time's 12V50A battery is no joke. The company provides a 5-year warranty on the battery. If customer service can't solve your battery issue, they'll give you a new one. Or you get your money back. That's a pretty solid offer that you won't see from most companies. The Ampere Time battery is definitely at the highest end of the price range. But don't forget that 50Ah rating. This battery is going to give you a lot of power for a long time. At 14.3 pounds, this is a fraction of what SLA batteries would weigh for the same power. In fact, you'd probably need a couple of SLAs to meet the performance here. The battery has a 4000 plus cycle life, which means you can recharge it again and again. The company says 10 years, but your mileage may vary, of course. It operates at 95% efficiency for most of its life thanks to a flat discharge curve. The load power is 640 watts. Number 3. Dakota Lithium 12V7A Battery. Dakota's batteries are top-notch and affordable. This is our pick for a budget battery, not because it's lower quality than the others. As you can see, at 7Ah this is designed to simply be a smaller, more efficient battery. And the price reflects that. For a lithium-ion battery, you won't find a better mix of price and quality. At 2000 charge cycles, this is a seriously long-lived powerhouse. Best of all, it weighs just barely over 2 pounds. You can fit this little guy anywhere. If you're looking to set up your kayak with a fish finder, you won't find a better option. It's durable, portable, and powerful. Dakota offers an incredible 11-year warranty. It charges quickly and features a battery management system. Like the bigger batteries, it's protected against a lot. That includes overcharging, high temps, and short circuits. Number 4. Expert Power 12V7A SLA 2-pack. If you want to stick with SLA batteries, Expert Power is where you want to look first. Their 12V7A SLAs are a great price. You'll see these in home security systems and even mobility scooters. They work just as well in fish finders and provide long-lasting, reliable power. Because they're SLA, they do take a bit longer to recharge than a lithium battery. Expect about 4 hours to reach a full charge. They also have a standby lifespan of around 3 to 5 years. It's hard to tell in pictures, but these are real space savers as far as batteries go. They're under 6 inches long and 4 inches high. That means finding a place to store them is no issue at all. You can buy these in a double pack so it's easy to swap one out and use the other. That extends your fish finder lifespan considerably. And at barely any more cost to storage. And for the money, it's a great deal. 2 batteries for only a fraction of what a similar lithium battery would cost. The lifespan isn't as long as a lithium, of course. But if you need something in a hurry that's cheap and reliable, these are great. Number 5. Mighty Max 12V15Ah SLA Battery. At just under 6 inches by 4 inches, the Mighty Max 12V15Ah is small but solid. Take this on the John boat to power your fish finder and you'll be good to go all day. It still weighs over 5 pounds, so keep that in mind. It's chunky, but it won't take a ton of space. You can still make good use of this on something as small as a canoe. They're designed to be mounted in almost any position, which can really come in handy. Upside down is not a good idea, mind you. The downside is you're on your own getting that done yourself. The battery doesn't come with any mounting hardware. You'll have to rig up something for yourself. But it's worth noting that this fits nicely into something like a Plano ammo box. You can make your own battery box if you want a project for an afternoon. Because of how they're designed, these are virtually spill-proof. Aside from serious physical damage to the case, it should hold up no matter what. Number 6. Universal Power Group 12V35Ah Lead-Acid Batteries. If you're looking for good power at a good price, this is a solid option. Universal Power Group's 12V35Ah batteries last a long time and won't break the bank. A lot of kayakers will use this for a fish finder and a motor. The output is reliable enough to handle several components at once. If you need more than a typical SLA battery, this is a great choice. It's not a full-size deep-cycle battery, but it could be all you need. Designed with absorbent glass material, this is a tough battery. It's made to withstand serious use without breaking. Unlike some SLA batteries, this one won't leak either. Number 7. ECI Power 12V20Ah Lithium Battery. ECI Power bridges the gap between the smaller and larger capacity batteries. If you don't want to go all out with a massive battery, but something like 10Ah isn't cutting it, try this. The 20Ah battery capacity ensures a decent power output for fish finders and more. Made in California, these are backed by solid engineering and customer service. They're made by Expert Power. You're getting 2,000 charge cycles from this battery and a 10-year lifespan. The battery management system protects from overcharge and temperatures. That includes a built-in charge cutoff if you drop below 23°F. Remember, charging a battery in sub-zero temperatures can effectively destroy the battery. Thanks to the technology here, you won't have to worry about tossing it out and buying a new one. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Check the product link in the description below. I hope you find a suitable product for yourself. If you want this type of video in the future, please subscribe to the channel.